Hello everyone! If you're watching this video on the day that it is going up on Friday, May 11th, it is actually my birthday, which means it is also the anniversary of when I first created Studio of MM. And as usual, in honor of that, every single year I have a birthday sale. So if you use the code BIRTHDAY22 for the next week in my store, you will get 22% off of anything. That includes print sets, print orders, custom print orders, originals that are listed in my store, and even if you decide to commission me within that week period, I will also honor the discount for that as well. So if you're interested in any of that, the links will be in the description. But also, in possibly even more exciting news, for the first time in I think since I opened my store, I am adding new products. I have been developing these new products for the last few weeks, and I am so excited to finally share them with you all. If you've been watching my behind the studio vlogs, you will have seen some of these teased a little. The first new product that I want to introduce you all to are the paper cut prints. I have been working on developing these types of prints for years now, and I'm finally able to. They are die-cut cardstock, so they are extremely precise. There is an extreme amount of detail in each design, and I am so thrilled to finally have these available. There are already a ton of designs available for the paper cut prints, and even more coming in the immediate future. Some of the designs are available in multiple colors, but I can actually make any design in any color. I just ask that you email me and tell me what color you would be interested in. You might even recognize some of the designs as previous artworks that I've translated into paper cut prints. All of the specific information for each product will be listed in that product's description box on my website, so if you are interested in one of the items, definitely check that out, although if you have any questions, definitely feel free to ask me. If you want to know about any new products that I add right away, definitely follow me on Twitter or Instagram. Both handles are at Studio of MM, and I will keep you all up to date with any new designs that I add. The other product that I am super thrilled to finally be adding to the store are stickers. They come in sticker sets and single sticker designs. This one is the Studio of MM set. It has some of my favorite and most popular artwork available in one collection, but again, there are a ton of designs available and even more coming. But yes, I am super excited about these new launches and everything that I'm going to be doing in the future for Studio of MM. One of the things that I will tell you right now is coming is paper lightbox kits. I really just did not have time to put together all of the different things that are needed to create the lightbox kits. I mean, I need to create easy to follow instructions for the kits. I plan on making a video to be easily accessed when you purchase one of the kits. But I'm just going to put it out there that the paper lightbox kits are coming. There is also a new commissions page on my website that details out some of the specific products like commissioned paper cut prints and commissioned lightbox designs. So again, all of the information to any of these products, my store, commission info, all of that will be in the description box. So if you are interested in anything, definitely check out all the links there. I do ship worldwide, so no matter where you are watching this video right now, I can definitely get the stuff to you. Like I mentioned, I'm going to be adding designs probably almost daily to the store, so if you are interested in keeping up to date with anything added design-wise, definitely follow me on Twitter or Instagram, because that's where I will be updating constantly anything that I put out. So I am super excited about all of the things that I'm going to be working on in the future, product-wise, design-wise, and I hope you are all too. I think that's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.